It's so light and easy to carry. You can use in this position or bend position. And you have two different velocities, 1, 2. And you don't need to waste your money with batteries because it's USB charge. And also if you want a long way, you can buy these accessories. I just discovered the way to improve my time. It's so easy to clean a mirror or glass. For example, now you just remove the tip. See how I did this quickly? Put the tip you want, like for glass or mirror, I prefer this. Shows the position upright, like 45 or 90. I'm gonna put 45 and clean. See how it's quickly now? Oh my god, I love it. And secret, inside this box was a paper with 70% if I get everything.